Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler. Excuse me. Bitcoin block bully. How we doing out there? What's going on, family? How we doing out there? Don Juan or Juan Don, what's going on? What's going on, brother? Joy, Miss Agnes, Miss Love, peace, 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 peace. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. How we doing out there, family? Let's just look at the top. Oh, hold on. There we go. Damn, that's an actual rapper. Hey, y'all ever just type in a random word to see what come up? I typed in top. We got a Asian rapper, a South Korean rapper, excuse me, better known by a stage name Top, is a South Korean rapper, singer, songwriter, actor who rose to fame in the mid-20s as one of the rappers in the boy band Big Bang on the South Korean record label YG Entertainment. Interesting. Very interesting. Check that out. But let's see what's going on with these charts though, family. How we doing out there? Grand Rising, everybody that's tuning in right now. Grand Rising, everybody that's tuning in. YouTube, Facebook, wherever you checking in from, family. We up. We up. BNB's up 8%. EOS is up damn near 10%. Litecoin 14%. 8 or 9. I mean, I don't know what's out there, especially within the top 10, that's not up right now. You know what I mean? I really couldn't tell you which ones is not up. Let's see what's going on. Let's see how everything's looking. Bitcoin at 6801, looking very nice. XRP at 31 cents. ETH, Bitcoin Cash, ABC, which you do now have 3x leverage trading on the Dragon X exchange market. EOS, XLM, LTC versus USD. We don't have Bitcoin SV right here. Let's see if we can find it somewhere else. Versus the dollar on Bitfinex. We can do that. There we go. We got Tron, which I showed a brother last night how Tron was hitting its all-time highs over the last couple of months. Once again, I'm gonna show y'all that too. For anyone that's trading in Tron right now, last night or around right now is pretty much the best time for you to take profit. Especially if you bought it anytime over the last couple of weeks, depending on where you're sitting. Grand Rising, everybody. How we doing? Miss Latiara, Brother Jason, Brother Polo, Miss Love. Let me see. This is Bitcoin. ERX. So when we look at Tron, right? You see the top Tron is hitting right now. Look what it's been doing since April. Since April 21st, it's been coming and hitting this top and breaking back down. See? So me personally, I would wait for number one, for us to break resistance once again and use it as some sort of significant support, not just, you know, flash for a second and come back down. Now let's use it as some type of significant support. Let me see. If we able to break this level of resistance right here, then you can start saying something with Tron. But as of right now, Tron, I mean, pretty much other than the huge spike right here, we pretty much in that same little consolidation area. Same little consolidation area with Tron. And then as we scroll out, see we got more of an outlook. So let's see how the granddaddy is doing though. Big Bank Hank Bitcoin. Let's check it out real quick. Let's see what's going on. Let's blow this thing up. There we go, 68.11. Now we're still making higher. What are we on right now? 4-hour chart. We're still making higher lows. We sort of, our highs topped out at $6,989 last night. 6,989 last night. Needless to say, if anyone was trading with any type of leverage over the last 24 hours, you're sitting pretty nice right now. Let me see. I don't even got no stories to come on with. What we're gonna take a look at and try to figure out is Grand Rising Marley Mar, Brother Michael, Miss L, Brother Haya. I mean Sister Haya, Miss Ali. My apologies. Let me see if we got anybody checking in on the YouTube side of things. Good morning. Do you help invest, or can you lead me to someone that can help me invest? Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you, brother Kennedy. Thank you, brother Kennedy. Yeah, I help in the educational process as far as understanding what the hell you're looking at. Excuse my language. Understanding what you're looking at. You know, like right now, if you don't know, let me show you. Pretty much, if you're going to get into investing in anything that has something to do with like the chart, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrency, especially, and you look at something like, let me see. If you look at something like this and it kind of throws you off, let me see. Let me shrink it down real quick. There we go. If this screen right here doesn't really make any sense to you, then I suggest you, number one, especially in the cryptocurrency space, do your due diligence on what cryptocurrency is, and then on top of that, learn how to read charts. That's for anybody. Anybody that's looking to get into this, anybody that's in it and doesn't know how to read this right here, what we're looking at right now, you really, really, really shouldn't be playing with too much money. I mean, unless you got somebody that you follow, that you trust, that you know that you like. Okay, if they say something, but even then, you're still at the whim of somebody else's moves versus you being able to control your own funds. You know what I mean, and your own profits. So, yeah, definitely. If this looks like mumbo jumbo to the majority, you definitely want to possibly sign up for one of my chart reading workshops. It's a possibility. You know what I'm saying? I'm not telling you what to do, but just a possibility. Man, look at this thing. Overall, look at EOS. Who could be mad at a move like that? Look at that. Let's see. Break this down. Let me see. Let's look at EOS real quick. Tether. We can look versus Tether on hit BTC. There we go. We got more of a lifeline to go off of. So let me remove this. Family, also, if you got any coin requests, I'm just doing coin requests today. We ain't really looking at no news. It's all about the charts today. I could care less. All the news is gonna be all bullish news. That's all they're gonna be talking about. It's gonna be all we hit this, we hit that, we're here now, get this, get that, yada 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 yada. That's pretty much what we're gonna see here. So I'm already knowing where this thing could possibly be going. So we're not even gonna pay attention to the news. We're gonna pay attention to all charts, all charts. So let me see. Right now, man, this thing damn near. What's that top? $5.80. We came down and we touched it already. So our next level. Let's play with. Find our bottom ever so slightly. Slide this back over to the other side. And look at all that crazy volume coming into EOS. Look at that. This is all 2018 back to 2017. Look at how much. This is why I tell y'all got to pay attention to a lot. Look at how much volume came into EOS over the last couple of months. They've been buying the hell out of EOS. Now, look how much volume was in EOS when EOS was trading at 20. And this right here was mid 2018. This wasn't even the FOMO. This right here pretty much is where you can project EOS to go back to $13, $13.96. That's our projected price right there, $13.96. So remember, right now EOS is $5.27. Our projected price right now, $13.96. Let's see if we can make it there. Now, grand scheme of things, let's see. Let's open this up. What are we looking at here? So off top, what do we see happening right now with EOS? Can anybody tell me exactly what we're looking at right now? Hold on, let me make sure this is correct. What do y'all see on the charts right here? What type of confirmations do we see? Number one. I'm gonna show y'all how you start with a chart and how it gets all complicated. Let me see. We can always come back and test. That's the one thing I'm sure of. There we go. Let's see. Put this, slide this back over this way. We got stopped out early and we got picked up. Where was that support at? At 382. Now you see how I got two different Fibonacci retracement levels here, one from a swing high to a swing low, the other one from a swing low to the swing high, the new move. What you see is confirmations of both sets. Whereas when we came down and retraced after hitting our high right here, even though we didn't retrace, we broke. You see, we tested right here. Let me show you. You see this test right here where you tested that 236, weren't able to hold, broke down, but you didn't break down to the 382. You got stopped out prematurely. Now, if we didn't have another Fibonacci retracement level here, then this right here would pretty much just be somewhere mid-air, mid-space. You know what I mean? But because we had pulled a swing high to a swing low on the macro side, what we see right here is confirmation of that other 382. See that? It actually did hit the 382 just on a macro level, not on the micro level in which the cycle that it's in right now. Y'all get what I mean? So we came down, we tested, very nice reaction. Came up. What did we test on the up to the upside? Now, first and foremost, remember we're using both sets. Where do we find our first test at? Look at this resistance right here. That's a 236. Above that, we got the is that the 50? Yep, 50% retracement level on our macro side. So you can see how using mirror fibs has allowed us to pretty much catch every single support and resistance level that it may be within this present time frame. And I'm not going to say every single one, but the most major ones. Whereas I'm gonna show you. You see how we got rejected here? That's a 382. Rejection here, rejection. That's a 50% retracement level. You came down, you found support though, right? Boom, bounce, bounce. That's the 236 on the macro. But right here, you tested the 618 of the micro. So right here, where we've come back up, what basically happened was on a swing high to swing low, we retraced up. We didn't hit the whole 618. We came up and pretty much got stopped out by the 50% retracement level. And we broke back down. We found our support at 382, right? Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. Let me get rid of that. Now look, See what I mean? Came down, found the bottom, broke up, stopped out by the 50, broke back down by the 38. The numbers over here, for if individuals don't know, the numbers over here 618, 50, 382, 236. We came down. Look where we found our first level of support at right here, where we consolidated, came down smoothly, rolled it, and then bounced up 236. Came up, tested the 50, right? I mean, we blasted right through the 382, but we did get stopped out though. This is where you see those other, remember, this is where you see the other confirmations of the other fib come in. I'm gonna place it back in here momentarily so we can see that. Now you see that rejection level? Look what that is, the 382 of the other fib levels that we got. So looking at it both ways, right now we've only retraced roughly a little less, maybe 39, maybe 39% of the way before bouncing back up. We're back above 23%. On another retracement level, we got rejected by the 50. We can be looking to go at least to the 618 on normal levels, which is roughly $6.39. $6.39 is the target move as of right now. We can see we're gonna be getting squeezed in here momentarily. Should bust to the upside. Nice support on the day chart from the 200-day moving average also. Not even just a 200-day moving average. We have the 100-day, no, 55-day moving average also. 55, 100, yep. 55-day, 100, 55-day moving average right here coming in, saving to the downside. If y'all see it, the bluish turquoise moving average right here. So yeah, we came down and bounced off it very, very nicely. We did break through momentarily on this double tweezer bottom, but we soon found our support back. So, like I say, EOS on a retracement level, we can still retrace down to $3.28 roughly. Well within the normal retracement levels, anywhere between 431 and 328. We can be looking for our resistance to come in. Oh, excuse me. Our resistance come in number one at the 50, where we got stopped out, which is $5.47. Then you got $5.98, then $6.39. That is EOS. Let me see. Let me see if we got any comments, any questions going on so far. Always remember that too, family. I cannot see any comments or questions that y'all may be asking while I'm live. Please forgive me. Let me see. Let me come over here now, see if we got any questions or comments. Oh. 677. Yep, just broke through that. Hold on, family. Give me 1 second. Try to catch something real quick. Give me 1 second, please. There we go. Trying to bust me a couple of quick ones while I'm live real quick. Let me see what we got checking in right now. Call me. I got some life-changing info to share with you. Drop your number in my inbox. Drop your number in my inbox, brother Joya. Let's see. Let's head over to Bitcoin, see what's going on with Bitcoin, see where we may go from here. We can look at Tether. Nah, let me see. BTC. Tether on hit BTC. Let's look and see how the shorts are. BTC shorts are going down right now. Let's see how the longs are. Longs are going up. Longs are going up. That's a beautiful thing. What we're looking at right now is the amount of longs versus the amount of shorts in chart form. So what you're seeing is an increase of long positions being placed right now. And then when you look at the shorts, hold on. You see the shorts actually getting wrecked right now. Look, people were trying to short this thing. Wow. 1, 2. They were shorting the hell out of Bitcoin. But they getting wrecked right now. Anybody that was shorting. Super wrecked right now. So let me see. Yeah, I just can't laugh real quick, fam. I'm just shooting this shit. I'm about to get back to trading. We got any questions or comments though? What y'all think? Bull run, we going to 10,000? What y'all expectations out there? We going to 10, 20,000? Who, let me ask y'all this. Who bought it at the top? Who FOMO'd in last night around 6,900, 6,800? Now I hope nobody. I honestly hope nobody FOMO'd in, because this is not the space for that. It's not the time for that. Wait for the pullbacks to come as they're gonna come, and then play the charts. Yeah, I might go live later on after all this slows down a little bit, but nah, while this is going right now, I ain't can't stay live for too long, family. Can't stay live for too long. So I don't see no questions or comments. I'm about to get up out of here. I'll be back later on. Anybody need anything? Y'all already know. Reach out. Oh, hold on. Nope, nothing. Peace.